Welcome to Raj Mudra Agro Foods. Today we present to you a recipe for making delicious and spicy green chili pickle at home by traditional method. First, take the chilies and wash them thoroughly and let them dry. Then, cut the chilies into small pieces. Add them to a big container in which you can mix the ingredients easily and thoroughly. Now, add the ingredients one by one. First, common salt. Then, splitted mustard seeds. Mohari dal. Our own Raj Mudra Agro Foods Pickle Masala. Lonse Masala. Turmeric powder. Hardar. Red chili powder. Tikka. Freshly squeezed lemon juice. Limbucha ras. Cold press lakdi ghana groundnut oil. Lakdi ghana phalli tel. Add organic jaggery according to your preference. Mix it all together nicely. Now, add all this mixture in an airtight container and keep it in a cool and dry place. Over the next few days, the flavors will melt together and the pickle will develop a delicious tangy taste. And there you have it, homemade green chili pickle.